You never actually failed the habit because you couldn't do it. You failed because you missed one day, decided that meant you already blown it, and quit the night rather than face day 8. That's not a discipline problem, that's a trap, and it has a name. Perfectionism doesn't look like high standards from the inside. It looks like your chest tightening the moment something isn't going to be done exactly right. So you'd rather not start at all. 400 years ago, Japan had an answer for this that has nothing to do with trying harder. It's called Wabi Sabi. One idea. Let's go. Step 1. The Kintsugi Principle. In Japan, broken pottery gets repaired with gold, not hidden. It's called Kintsugi. The crack isn't disguised. It's highlighted because the break is part of the object's history, not a reason to throw it away. Western thinking treats a mistake as proof something is broken. Wabi Sabi treats the mistake as the thing that makes it real. A streak with no gaps isn't stronger, it's just untested. So the quick action: don't hide the sleep, whatever it is, and don't restart from zero. If you skip the gym for a week, write down what happened instead of deleting the app in shame. Or blew the grocery budget on takeout again? Note it on your banking app instead of avoiding it until next month. Treat it like adding the gold in the crack. Naming it breaks the instinct to treat one bad day as a reason to quit the whole system. Step 2. The what the hell effect. Here's the actual mechanism that ends most efforts. You miss one workout. It's the one thing you said you wouldn't. You skipped one load of laundry, and something in your head says, well, I already messed up, might as well. One small break becomes a full collapse, not because damage was big, but because your brain treats imperfect and failed as the same word. They're not the same word. A week with 5 good workouts and one skipped one is still a good week. A budget with one impulse buy and everything else on track is still a working budget. Perfectionism just won't let you count it that way. Quick action. Catch the exact moment that might as well thought shows up. The second slice of cake after the first one wasn't part of the plan, or the skipped gym day turning into skipping the whole week. Ask one question before you act on it. Did I actually fail, or did I just have one bad rep in a long game? Answer honestly and go do the very next small thing on your list, not the whole reset. I quit this channel after 2 weeks the first time I tried, 2 years ago. Not because I ran out of ideas, because I missed uploading once and decided that meant I'd already failed. It took me 2 years to realize one missed upload was never the problem. Deciding it meant I was done, that was. Your mistakes aren't proof you're broken. They're proof you're actually doing something instead of just planning it perfectly in your head. Mark the crack instead of hiding it. Ask if you actually failed or just had one bad rep. Comment Kintsugi below and watch the Ikigai system to find work you actually want next. Because once you stop quitting over small slips, the real question becomes whether you even pointed in the right thing.